All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idioms. So, like shooting fish in a barrel. In a barrel. Try and get. Oh, here we are. Barrel. Here we are. Look at that. Yeah, in a barrel. Yeah. Something very easy to do or achieve. Easy, like shooting fish in a barrel. No real challenge. There's no real challenge. Yeah, no real challenge. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. It was like shooting fish in a barrel. Yeah. Doing that was like shooting fish in a barrel. Yeah. Do you think it will be like shooting fish in a barrel? Why do you think the exam will be like shooting fish in a barrel? Why do you think that? Yeah. Maybe learning the language might be like shooting fish in a barrel. Maybe. Maybe. It might be easy, like shooting fish in a barrel, or might not be easy, might be hard. A tough nut to crack. Yeah. The exam was like shooting fish in a barrel. Ooh. Easy. It was easy. I thought it would have been harder. I thought it would have been harder. But luckily, it was like shooting fish in a barrel. Yeah. Whew. How cool is that? Do you think it was like shooting fish in a barrel? Well, at first it was like shooting fish in a barrel, but then it just got harder and harder. Eventually we had to really think and be careful, otherwise we might have made a big mistake. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Shooting fish in a barrel. Something very easy to do or achieve. Yeah. But, language explorers, can you use like shooting fish in a barrel in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.